Hey everyone, welcome to Joyful Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy these perfect, delicious plantain cinnamon pancakes. Alright, so starting off with my ingredients, I have my all-purpose flour in this bowl that I've already sifted, some cinnamon of course, some nutmeg, and I'm using freshly grated, baking powder, salt, vegetable oil, and you can substitute the vegetable oil for some coconut oil or melted butter, vanilla extract, and I have some milk in here. I'm using plant-based milk, more specifically unsweetened almond milk, which is a personal preference of mine. However, you can substitute for whole milk or any plant-based milk of your choice. And over here I have my egg and my plantain. Now I deliberately chose this plantain to use for this recipe today because I know a lot of persons tend to throw out their plantains once it starts looking like this or even before, and I wanted to show you guys that you can actually make delicious recipes from your plantains once it starts looking like this. And as usual, all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and dump in all my dry ingredients. And I'm gonna mix them together and then set this aside. Now for my wet ingredients, I'm going to puree my plantain. So I'm going to be adding it to my blender along with my milk. And if you note, I'm not using any sugar for this recipe because this plantain is very ripe, so it already has a lot of natural sugar, so you don't need any sugar for this recipe. And this is a medium-sized plantain which should yield 1 cup. Now after mixing, your batter should look something like this. If you prefer your pancake batter a bit thinner, you can always add some more milk. And try not to over mix your batter, okay? So I'm going to add some oil in my skillet. You can also use butter. And I'm going to use this 1/3 cup measurement to scoop my pancakes, because these are the perfect sizes for me. Now if you want your pancakes a bit larger or smaller, you can measure them according to your preference. Now my flame is on medium low, and you know that your pancakes are ready to flip once you start seeing the bubbles appearing on the top, or you see the edges start to get brown. Or you can give them about a minute per side, making sure that you keep your flame low. And there you have it, perfectly made and delicious plantain cinnamon pancakes right here in Joanne's kitchen. These pancakes had the perfect amount of sweetness, and the cinnamon balanced it out so well without being too overpowering. Top them with fresh fruit or whatever toppings you like. As you can see, I topped mine with some fried ripe plantains, a light sprinkle of cinnamon, and a light drizzle of syrup. And to be honest, the syrup wasn't needed, the natural sweetness of the plantains was enough. You can also substitute the plantains with ripe bananas, they work well in this recipe also. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe and join the movement to 1000 subs. If you give this recipe a try, feel free to tag me on Instagram at @joanfo_ and follow me as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.